The mama laid on top of this puppy, and I came inside and couldn't count them all. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. She's purple, but we've been trying to give her some breaths. Come on. You gotta breathe, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, pretty girl. Come on, pretty girl. Wake up, baby girl. Come on. Come on, pretty girl. Come on, pretty girl. I know, Maggie. You gotta be careful, baby. You gotta be more careful. Oh, she's making those deep gurgles. Yeah, I can feel movement. Look at her. She's breathing. Oh, my goodness. Look. She's breathing. Maggie, you have to be more careful, baby. Oh my goodness, Maggie. You have to be more careful with these babies. She's breathing. She's breathing. I do love you, but you gotta be more careful, baby. Move. So the puppy's alive. It's breathing. It's moving its legs, breathing on its own. I can still feel like it's having a hard time breathing. I'm hoping that mama hasn't crushed something inside of it. We're going to take her to the vet and have them take a look at her. But you see, she's sitting, trying to set herself up. Look who's all latched on. An hour ago, she was laying there lifeless. And now she's back to full health. We have to be more careful with Mama, though. This is the second time Maggie's laid down on top of them. And had to find them. Look at this. He's alive, wide awake. Hungry? Hungry, little girl? Get on there. All right. Look at this here. A couple hours ago, this little girl here was not breathing because Maggie had laid on top of her, but now she's doing much better.
Let's get more babies.
I know. No. Let these eat first. She's doing so much better. Look at that. Look at that girl eat.